All right. We're back here with Hammerfab. Next up is Restomod Air and Bowler Performance Transmissions. Stay tuned. We're going to slap these bad boys in our 66 GMC. All right, guys. We got some Restomod air conditioning products here. These guys are right here in Texas, made in America. I've heard a lot of good things about this stuff, and I'm excited to be working with these guys. I can't wait to see it, and more importantly, I can't wait to experience it. I really don't know much about their products other than I've heard good things. So I know they had a really cool booth at SEMA last year, all retro looking. All right, so right here, box number one, we got the condenser in there. That's gonna go in front of the radiator. They got all different sizes you can choose from. So nice thing about Restomod Air is it's a little different than some of the other companies. So it's kind of a la carte. So you can pick and choose whatever products you want and mix and match them. You know, like the condensers and the vents, and they got like 1,000 options for billet vents for your dash. They got like 1,000 options for knobs and bezels and billet cool stuff. And so some of them light up, some of them don't. But basically you can mix and match all that stuff however you want with the different colors, different sheens, different finishes, where some of the other companies are, you know, you get what you get a nice package, but you know, you can't really mix and match it. So yeah, so that's nice. This is the one that we selected for our GMC. That ought to cool it off real nice. Okay, let's see, what do we got here? We'll save those for later. These look like something fancy in there. We're gonna save those for later. Let's open up this one here. Okay, it's kind of heavy. Oh, hoses. All right, we got all of our hoses in there. We don't really need to take those out right now, but that'll work nice. Got a packing list here. You can double check everything you got. Nice color printout of everything that's in here. All right, now let's get into the good stuff here. Very nice packaging on all this stuff. All right. Woo-wee! Check those out, man. That's nice. Nice billet dash bezels. These are not plastic, y'all. These are billet aluminum. We got the concave, forgot what they're called. I don't know, they all got different names, but anyways, this is the concave bad to the bone version here. You can direct that. It's nice, smooth operation. You can actually, I think you can flip these around if you want the Audi version. I want the any version. Those are gonna look awesome in the dash. Actually, we're probably gonna mount these below the dash a little bit. So we got two singles, and then we should have a dual one somewhere. So they got some nice little brackets there for mounting everything. Very nice. Okay, there's that one. And there's the dual one. So it's all packaged really nice in some foam, squishy foam. And this guy matches the single ones that we got for the sides. Kind of looks like some jet blasters. Okay, now let's get down into here. All right, more goodies. We've got a few more hoses in here. We got our dash vent hoses for underneath the dash. Here's some knobs. So I got some extra knobs from the guys because I want to use the knobs. I want all the knobs on the dash to match. And so I said, hey, send me a few more knobs. And so that's what we got right here. So it's one of my pet peeves is when most of the dash knobs match, but you got this one outstanding one that's like completely different. I can't handle that. So we got some extra ones of these so that all of them match. Those are also billet aluminum, black anodized, and they match the dash vents. All right, let's see what's in here. Wires, and then we got our little valve for heater lines. Looks like there's a little computer. Oh, that's a Bluetooth little brain box in there. That's cool. Never I've never had an air conditioning system that you can control with your phone. That's pretty crazy. All right, here, now we got, this looks like some dials or something. Oh yeah, okay, so we got the stealth dials here, okay? So it looks like just knobs, but that's what it's gonna look like once it's mounted in the dash, but actually it's the individual knobs. So you can get them with a bezel around the whole thing if you want, so it's like a nice big unit that goes in the dash. I didn't want that because now I have the option of spreading them out wherever I want. And basically, the dash is just gonna have a bunch of different knobs on it, and you're not gonna really know which one is which unless you're the driver. All right, one more box. Actually, there's more stuff underneath there, I think. Okay, we got zip ties come with it, big heavy duty zip ties. Got some black anodized fittings and also some heater line fittings. We've got all the O-rings that you need, hose clamps, fasteners. Looks like they got stainless hardware in here, that's cool. I don't think there's anything underneath there. And then obviously we got the main unit here. I can't remember what the name of this one is. They got several different ones that you can get. But we got the one that they recommended for the 6066 C10s. So it's got a nice anodized aluminum bracket on there that we can mount to the firewall or whatever. So it's a nice compact unit. So should work out fine. I think that's it, man. Looks like some good stuff. Let's get it in the GMC. And now for the main event. Bowler Performance Transmissions. Getting ready to get mounted to the 66 GMC by John Hardy's Race Cars. All right, you guys ready for this? This is my first official Bowler Performance Transmissions, okay? I've worked with these guys for a long time. Well, I've known him for a long time. Mark Bowler, he's a great guy. They're in Southern Illinois. This guy would give you the shirt off his back. Like literally one time this guy drove, when I worked at Rad Rides, he drove all the way from Southern Illinois with him and his employee, rebuilt the transmission for my Grand Prix in the back of his truck on a Saturday and helped me put it back in because I was a broke kid. So this guy's the real deal, builds an awesome product. And if anything goes bad with it, which it probably won't, because they're like built for war, literally. He's done a lot of stuff for the military and stuff like that in the past. But anyways, if something goes wrong with it, he takes care of it. So I don't expect anything less than the best quality in here. So let's check it out. All right, we got a True Cool remote transmission cooler. We got to figure out where we're going to mount that. Usually the best place is up in the radiator somewhere, but you know, we may run out of room with all the coolers and everything up there, so we'll see. But that's the best place. And then it looks like it's got some AN fittings here that come with it. Yeah, these are the adapter fittings that screw into, I believe these screw into the transmission. Right there. Stainless. Nice. See, there's no steel plated stuff here. This is all stainless, high quality stuff. We got a dipstick. 4L80E is what this transmission is. It's not the latest and greatest thing, but they work awesome and they hold up to a lot of horsepower. They're tried and true, great for dependability, reliability. So we got an OEM style dipstick here. We'll probably end up painting that guy black, but it's very nice. It's got the kind of cam lock here on the top. All right, looky here, look. Welcome to the family. The Bowler Performance family. Let's see what we got here. Holy cow, I got a birth certificate for my transmission. says what it is. Good for 800 foot-pounds of torque. Are you kidding me? I don't even know if we got that much. Looks like Austin built it. Thank you, Austin. We're gonna put that on the wall, man. That's too good not to put on the wall. Where should we put it? Over there? Oh my gosh, we got Scooby snacks. Scooby snacks, bowler stickers. Look at here. Look. Oh look, we got a little shifter keychain. That's cool. Little billet aluminum shifter. We got some pins, t-shirts. Looks like we got a banner in there. All kinds of goodies. Thank you guys. All right, let's see what we got next. We got the cast aluminum flex plate inspection cover. That's nice. It's a GM part, so definitely like that. Instead of a sheet metal one or whatever, you know, this is kind of the next best thing. We got some royal purple transmission fluid. Let's see, how many quarts do we got? We got 8 quarts of royal purple. A couple extra there. That's supposed to be the best stuff, man. He's tried all kinds of stuff over the years. Tested it on some of the highest horsepower stuff there is around. And this seemed to be the one that stood the test of all of them. Thank you, Royal Purple, for making an awesome product. Oh wait, we got even more than that here. We got a bunch of quarts. So 14 quarts of Royal Purple. And there it is. Look at that bad boy right there. All wrapped in plastic so you can't get it dirty. That sucker is brand new. So when we were trying to decide what transmission to use and stuff, basically, you know, I called up Mark and said, hey, I got 660 horsepower and probably a little more torque than that. You got something that'll work? And so basically they built it specifically to my specifications. You always want to make sure you got a transmission that can hold up to at least your horsepower, probably a little bit more. And so that's the way they build it. You know, he asked me the cam specs and several different things so that he can tune the transmission and the torque converter to my engine. So we're not just buying an off-the-shelf transmission that we hope works and kind of gets close. We want every component of the build to be tuned to what we're trying to do. So that goes for the transmission, that goes for the engine, that goes for the brakes, that goes for the air conditioning. I mean, everything is tuned instead of just slapped together. We don't slap things together here at Hammerfab. We get it right the first time. So we're gonna have to get our chain hoist here, get this guy out of the box. And then there's a couple more goodies down underneath there. So let's do that.